Hey everyone, we're here with another video, and today we're talking about my wife's headphones. So here you can see some of the tearing here of the headphones, of the ear cups. So these are the Bose QC35 second gen, and yeah, we bought these about 5 years ago. So it's about time that she wears these for running, working out, and different things like that. So hence the wear and tear in terms of the ear cups. So we bought replacements on Amazon, and we're gonna walk you through the steps here and do all these here and replace these. All right, so first thing we're gonna do are remove the old ear cups. So you can see how that just comes out here. It's really just held in here. It's kind of like a molded plastic piece. Here's the inside, and we'll have to take this out too and replace that with these here because these are a bit dirty. And it's mine as well, right? This side is not really as bad, but you can see some of the flaking here. So we can just pull these out. You can see here how those just come out pretty easily. So these are the old ones, and at the top here, these are the new ones. Yeah, the new ones feel pretty solid. These were only 16 bucks on Amazon, so I feel like a pretty good deal. And the materials feel very similar, slightly different coloration, as you can see here. I'm not sure if that's based on there might be a material here that may change color if it gets wet. Step 2 is to replace the old scrim mat if needed. So this is here. So since we have these, we might as well change this, but with this kit, you also get this tool to help you push some things in here. So, and you also get some adhesive as well. I think you just pull them out. Ooh, it's kind of sticky there. Yeah, it's sticky. Sticking pretty well here. I have some rubbing alcohol to take some of this out here, but obviously do not want to mess with any of the electronic portions of this. Everything seems to be pretty sealed, and I think here is probably a spot where it might need to be very careful with the cable here. I think this is where the adhesive goes here, so you can see this will go there and this will go right here as well. I think that's the best way. Use your nail. Don't want to use anything really metal or even plasticky, and just roll it off here like this. And the adhesive peels off. There we go. That's one side. So typically adhesive doesn't adhere well to other adhesives, so I want to be very careful with this here. There does seem to be like a layer of glue right here to hold the ribbon cable in, so you don't want to mess with that. But I'm going to use an alcohol pad to sort of rub this off. But let's get off the other side too to even this out. But I'm going to put on this side too so I don't get these mixed up, because that would be a little bit funny. Something to also note is that the padding on the top here seems to be in pretty good shape, so maybe not something that you have to replace super quickly. At least it's good after 5 years, it seems. Just some regular isopropyl alcohol, 70%. Put it on a cotton ball. Just rub a little bit of this off here. Nope, it's coming off. All right, we have the left side here. Yeah, let's go ahead and stick this on. It's pretty close. Okay. All right, got it there. Push the ear pad underneath each of the flange. So there are these clips here that these go under, and I think that's really it, which is kind of strange because it doesn't seem like much to hold it in. And just work your way around it. It's not in the places that you would typically push in, so it's not like one here, one here, one here, one here. There are ones at the bottom and the top, but in between it's probably like maybe an inch in between all of them. So you just want to make sure you get all of those in as you make your way around it. Yeah. And once you snap it in, you want to push so here's the snap in, and then once you snap it in, you kind of want to push it in so it's at the very end so that the entire flange can cover the sort of rubbery plastic bit. You just want to make sure overall it's a good seal around it because that's going to help with your noise canceling. This does help to grain this back a little bit so you can get across the flange here. But you want to be careful because the plastic piece is a bit sharp. There we go. And then just as a practice, go across the entire bit, pull a little bit. So pull a little bit out, and then you'll be able to tell if all of the spots are in or if you're missing a spot. So this is all good. And the last bit is to test it out. Obviously, when you take off the scrim here on the inside, you want to make sure that you're being very careful because obviously the electronics are in the inside there. So just want to make sure it turns on here. So noise canceling, low, off, high. Yep, works. Let me know your thoughts and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Battery 80%. We're connected. Let's play. Oh, this is such a sad song. I don't wanna wait to do this one more time.